Hi guys, coming at you with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to be overpowered in Dark Souls 1, the OG version. This does not work in remastered, do not try it. So pick up the key after picking Pyromancer, and then you start running, to the thing, to the boss, you get me? Run up the stairs. This is some pro strats. Watch my movement, guys. Pro movement here. Boom! See that? Boom! Cutting corners. Pro movement. Climbing the ladder because I'm a fucking gamer. You see me here? I'm fucking gaming. Right. Once you get to the top of the ladder, walk past the bonfire because I'm a G. I'm not picking it up because I'm no pussy. Okay? Open the door like a real gamer. And alright, now do not fight the boss yet or else you will die. Literally impossible, guys. It's impossible. No one has ever beaten this thing first try. So run past that bonfire, then run past the arrow the guy shot, okay? Pick up the axe, because it's the weapon, the axe, you know, that one. Pick that up. Run past the hollow, and then go through the fog door, the first fog door in the game. Now, run up the thing. Don't get hit by wall though. Run through wall. Talk to fucking retard ass dude dying on thing. Idiot. Fucking stupid. I'm glad he's fucking dead. I love coming back here just to fucking murder him. Fucking idiot, stupid asshole. Get out of my game. Alright, open the gate with the key now. Pick up the glove that is on the thing that I just picked up. Because, you know, this is totally me playing, because I'm a fucking pro. Alright? Okay, pop that thing. I don't know, pop it, because, you know, swag. Kill that hollow. And then go kill the other hollow. What? 3 hollows down. Now, boss below. Watch out, hardest boss fight in the game. Now, hit them on the head. And now, what we're gonna do, right, gamers, is a secret strat. We're gonna hit them with the secret strat. Boom! Boom! See that secret strat? Being murdered. Incomprehensibly powerful secret strat has just been flexed on. Alright, after you kill the boss, now you gotta start running through the door thing. Open the door, and then you gotta run towards the nest. You know where the bird is. Not the other nest though. That's the wrong. No, actually, hold on. There's no nest up here. Go to the other. No, don't go to the nest then. Don't listen to that. Don't go to the nest. Right, sit at the bonfire. Right? Because, you know, like, things. And then what we're gonna do, right, is we're gonna pick up this other thing. Because, you know, there's things in the game that make you overpowered in 10 minutes. That's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna run through here and, hold on. Pick up the shield because you're fucking stupid and use shields in Dark Souls! I hope I'm not being too loud. Oh, okay, that's good. Alright, now enter the catacombs. And, get hit by that skeleton because you suck. Start running up the things, yeah? And, fucking pull the lever that I'm gonna pull right now. That's me. I'm pulling the okay, kill that guy then, I guess. With the fireball. Fucking hell. Yeah, push the lever, because it's funny. You know, pushing it right now. Yo! Some people say I was pushing the lever, but I say I was, pushing, and by that I mean cranking the soldier boy. That was a reference to a song. Hope you guys liked it during this informative video. Alright, now what we're gonna do, gamers, is we're gonna run through the things, right? And let's go. Alright, so jump down the thing, shortcut, boom, pro strat. Flying skeletons, but no one cares because they're stupid, unlike us. Pick up Paladin Gay Boy, because he's gay. Facts. That's canon! I have facts to prove it! Paladin Leroy tried to suck my dick in the pinwheel hole! He tried to! I can prove it! I have video evidence! And I will post that later, fellow fans. Get ready for that! For the proof that Paladin Leroy is a faggot! Facts! I have proof! I have receipts! It's true! I can prove it! Alright, Paladin Leroy is now being gay and killing the skeletons because he's gay. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the boss fight because we're not gay. We're running away from Paladin Leroy because we're not gay. I'm not! I swear! Listen, the dick incident, it was a joke, okay? Listen, I didn't mean it. Alright, so go in here and fucking run over to the things and fucking wait for Paladin Homo Roy and go into the boss fight. The hardest boss fight in the game. I already said that, but this is the real hardest one. That was a bait and switch. You thought it was, but it wasn't. Now this is. That was meant to be funny. Alright, fight the boss, and yeah, I missed that hit, and I also missed that hit, you know, because, you know, I'm just kind of gaming, I'm kind of button beast mode. Alright, Paladin, Suck Dick Boy is not killing the boss for us, but he's stupid. Wow, look at these frames. These are some gamer frame rates right here. Okay, now, what mask are we gonna get, gamers? You! Mask of the Mother, we are now official meta PvPers. Alright, now we're gonna bone out like boner. Like Paladin Leroy has a boner. That was a reference, you know? Hope you guys like that one. Okay, running now. Ah! Itchy ass nose, bruh. Now we're running, and we're gonna fucking, go and get the thing. Running. Oh, nose hurts. Ow. Running. See, my nose is hurting. That's why I'm not playing too good. You know. You get me. Fucking hell. Alright. Yeah, running. Yep. Just you know, running. You know. Woo, you know, like, yo, boy. Yeah, crank the second soldier lever. That was a reference to a song right there. Real one's got it, you know, you get me? Bit of an obscure reference there. Yeah, I got hit by those spikes, gamers. That's all RNG manip to become overpowered in 10 minutes. Alright, the skull there, you have to make the skull explode there to RNG manip to becoming overpowered. If you don't RNG that, you will lose and die instantly, because you're a fucking suck at the game. Alright, now go this way, go down here, go this way, and yeah, see, here you go, gamers. We now have the overpowered weapon to become overpowered in Dark Souls in 10 minutes, just like that, gamers, but we're not done yet! Alright, we gotta get rid of this stupid ass lantern bloke, and you know, we're gonna break their leg, break them, but instead of break your legs, we're gonna break their legs, you know. I threw a fireball at the ground just to disrespect that stupid skeleton because he sucks. Okay, that bloke died. Alright, now we're gonna jump down the things. You! See that, gamers? Green Titanite chart, because I'm a fucking gamer. Yo. Okay, into the hole. and then we see Thanos, more like Thanos, there we go. Yeah, that one, yeah, okay. Right, now gamers, here's what we're gonna do. The great side, upgrade it, +1, +2, +3, plus fucking 4, +5, boom! Alright, go into modify equipment, get that fire great side. Yeah, whoa! Then we're gonna buy a homeward bone. Buying a homeward bone. Yeah, gotta get that 14 thing, yeah, gamers. Alright, motherfuckers mid-rolling. Alright, yo! 76 damage. How to become overpowered in Dark Souls in fucking 76! Motherfucker said become overpowered and oh my fucking god. Yeah. Alright, okay gamers, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.